What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back. I know it has been a very long time. I'm honestly excited to make a little install video. Hope you guys all been having an amazing day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Simple Shots. You guys know where it's at. I'm honestly pretty consistent on uploading on there. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I know you guys do know I have the truck, and it's a diesel truck, so I need to, I guess, basically just watch and make sure I don't mess anything up with the EGR, I think it's called. I honestly don't even know, but the recycle. But basically the truck's in the shop. Well, it was in the shop because that sensor, the NOx sensor, messed up, and so it basically threw off everything. The ignition system was super messed up. It started messing up with the transmission, which I just think like one check engine light came on and the truck freaked, because after I turned the truck off, turned it back on, transmission was good, but that sensor was still messed up. The dealer let me know that it's probably gonna be a minute since, so the nearest sensor is in Michigan. Sorry guys, I'm like winded. I'm a little sick and I haven't talked this much in a while, but so basically it's coming from Michigan. It's going to be shipped all the way to Reno. Then from Reno, it comes to where I live in Fresno. And I guess with any snow or anything really, it's just going to keep getting delayed. So I asked them if they could either get me a loaner vehicle or get my truck back, to be honest. And they said that the truck's good to drive. So they gave me the truck back, and basically until the sensor comes in, I'm good to drive just like that. And if anything happens further, they said they'd cover it, no issue. So today we got the Banks gauge. I honestly don't even know exactly what this bad boy is called, but let's get into it. So basically I got this gauge so that I could monitor everything in the truck. What's super sick about this is that like literally it monitors everything, like any temp, literally anything. Like, it's honestly crazy. So we're gonna open it up. Oof, look at that, get a good look right there. Honestly really excited. Some good packaging. So let me get you guys another view so that you guys can see all this. Alright, so this is exactly how it came. The pods in the back. Wow. And definitely have to do more research into that. Don't know. What is this? Okay, so OBD2 to the part. Don't know what that is. Looks like we got a cool sticker and zip ties and a USB. Oh, so I did opt for the one that you could like data log basically. Do want to get the truck tuned in the future, and then this right here, it's just the mount that's gonna hold it. So let's get downstairs to the truck and install this bad boy. As always guys, I got too excited and yeah, I already kind of built the thing, so just got to put the wire in that thing and then put this thing on and then put that bolt in, that connects to that bolt, and yeah, then we're going to stick it on the dash and show you guys what I do with the wire. So let's head out to the truck. The boys just showed up for reinforcements. Gonna help out, right Simba? Wolf? Y'all gonna help out? We're gonna get this installing. Yee. Oh, dog fights on YouTube. Live. Place your bets. Alright, but I installed that part right there. I took the panel off right here. Let me turn the flash on. Alright, there we go. So, suction cup mount that right there. I'm gonna run this wire in through here, and then I'm gonna take it down through there, and there's a little opening, and then it'll come out, and wada bing, bada boom. So let me do that real quick, and yeah. I kid you guys not, that was probably the easiest install I have done in my entire life. So literally with my fingers, put that in there. I literally just threw the plug in there and found out like the hole underneath is just open. Plug the bad boy in right there, and then I'm gonna put the cover back on and let's get this thing on. Alright guys, I'm pretty excited for this. I'm gonna plug it in all the way. Plugged it in all the way. It lit up like shit. And all right, I'll let you guys enjoy the startup animation. Pretty sick. I know. 3, 2, 1. Sick. Immediately we have no power. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Let's make sure this bad boy is plugged in. Oh, we had something. Does that mean I have a faulty wire? But give me some. Oh, whoa. Let me turn off the flash. Oh, never mind, I don't have to. Sick. Let's go lower. Oh, sick. Okay. What do we do? Oh. Yeah. Definitely be out here all night. But let me get some stuff set up and then, yeah. Alright guys, so I got everything all set up here. I went ahead and chose just the 5 display options, I guess, right here. I'll mess around with them a little bit later as well and see what more this thing has to offer, but for right now this is all that we have, and give you guys some revs. It's pretty accurate compared to the speedometer, but yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. I do have some parts on the way. So that's all I have for you guys today. I do have a lot of parts on the way. The truck is gonna go through a pretty big transformation the next couple months here, so we'll be starting off the New Year's with a brand new look. But that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, peace.